What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are up at our Orange County yard and our 4300 is complete. They got the new pulley and belt installed. Let's see. Yep, right here you can kind of see it. I'm gonna spin you guys sideways for a second here. That is the new pulley right there, and this is obviously the new belt. And apparently they tested it, and look, we have a Kevin in the engine bay too.
Yep.
So apparently he tested it and everything works. Kev, turn this on. So let's make sure everything works. 1 second, Kev. All right, start her up. Oh wait, we gotta fold the plow frame up. Forgot about that. Where are the pins? There you go. Test everything out. 1 second. Nice. We are back in action. Kev, leave it here. Leave it here. We gotta get the other truck out. Why you look confused?
What's going on? I'm trying to first keep myself out. Let's go. I was gonna get you.
You missed. Oh, actually.
Oh, check your pocket. You got some.
Do I? Let's see. No, we're empty.
That was good.
You guys didn't know we were having a snowball fight in today's video. That was a terrible throw. I'm embarrassing myself. This isn't fair. I got one hand.
I won't move.
For real?
Yeah.
Let me put this down 1 second. Wow. I moved for 2 seconds. Oh, that was close. That was close. Anybody hiring children?
Yeah.
Child labor? Anybody need a child to work for them?
Come on!
I thought you had keys.
In my Corolla. In my race car.
If you want something done right,
do it yourself.
for real, if anybody is hiring children, I have a less than capable child here that's looking for a job.
Thank you, sir.
Kev, just pull up towards the fence. So, we are taking this truck with us because, as you can see, there's no headlights. There is an electrical issue going on with this truck. The plow still, I hope the plow works. We didn't even, yep. So the plow still works, but there's no headlight power. So this truck is under warranty. We are picking up the other truck that we dropped off at Hudson River. That one was under warranty. Turns out that one was just a fuse. So they got that. Oh, he was scraping on the ground over there. I thought he hit the door, but the way the ground is pitched, the plow scrapes a little bit when you're pulling out. But the other truck was just a fuse, so they replaced the fuse, and it turned out that that was all that was wrong with it. So we're gonna go pick that one up and drop the F600 off. Hopefully the F600 is something simple, but we've gone through, I think, 2 headlights in it already. So there's obviously something wrong with it, but hopefully they get that done in about a day as well. We dropped the other truck, I forget what it is, like a 450 or 350 dump truck. We dropped that off this morning, and he called me about 2 hours later, and they had it fixed already. But being that it was just a fuse, that's a pretty simple repair. Just trying to get in here. You can see we have the other truck back there. We have to kind of stagger these trucks to get them to fit in here. Do you want me to slide over?
Yeah.
The other truck must be farther forward.
I think so.
Let me,
You can go.
no, Kev, I'm gonna park it right here where this truck was. This truck is farther back. Alright guys, so that is pretty much it. We got this truck back in here. I'll show you what I was talking about before. These 2 spinners pretty much you have to stagger them in order to get them to fit. And this truck has to be pretty much just inside the door here. But there's about 2 feet here. I can walk straight by this. And we really need this truck like 2 inches, 3 inches off the door in order to get the 2 trucks to fit in back to back. But being that the F600 is not in here, then we can just park this truck here until we get that truck back. But we're bringing that truck up to Hudson River Truck and Trailer. We have to drop this off. We're picking up the other one, but we're probably going to drop this off in the morning. It's about 4:30 already, so by the time we get there, they're going to be closed anyway. But that's going to wrap it up for this one. We have that truck back on the road. If it snows or freezes or anything, now they can use it again. And hopefully we get the F600 back here soon. But that's going to wrap it up. If you guys have any questions or comments, definitely leave them down below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you guys next time. Peace.